Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you a couple of things that we went over in class, but let's look at them again. So when we talk about fractions, we really are asking what does a fraction mean? So 3/4 really means 3 parts of 4. So the whole is 4. This number, the denominator, means how many it's broke up into. 3 means how many parts are we talking about or do we have? So those are the 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 4. We can also look at a bar line and we don't start at 0. You don't count 0. We start here. 1, 2, oops, 2, 3, and 4. So this is broke up into 4 parts. And in class we talked about a fraction be part of a whole. Here's a whole, that's 1. And if I had 4 parts, 4 out of 4 is 1. That's the whole. Now this one is 3 parts out of 4. So this is 3/4. And if we look down here, for u, this is u, we're going to write it under 3/4. And there it is, 3/4. That's u. When we get all done, then it's going to tell us the answer to the joke. Now let's look at this one here. Let's look at I. We have a whole here. We have 1. So our answer is going to have 1. And then what do we have this broke up into? 1 part, 2 parts. This is 1 out of 2. 1/2. So down here I'm looking for 1/2. Oh, they don't have 1/2. Okay, these are all improper fractions. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So I have to make this into an improper fraction. Okay, we could do it that way. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 3/2. Now let's look at that a little different. Let me draw this. So here I have a whole, and it's broke up into 2. And then I have 1 out of 2. So I have a whole here. I'm going to change colors. Here's my whole. And here's a whole. Or these two parts equal 1 whole. And then I have 1 of these. Okay, so this matches what I got here, but look at this. I have 1 whole of 2 parts. 1 whole of 2 parts, and then I have an extra 1 there. So that's why we can multiply the denominator by our whole number and then just add this and we get that. So that is equal. All right, let's look down here for 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Oh, there it is. That is I. Okay, so you can do the rest. Again, count how many you have, and that's what the fraction denominator is going to be, the bottom, and then how many of those is marked. Okay, now let's move down just a little bit to the next one, and we'll look at this. This is actually an R. All the kids were told to draw that as an R. Okay, so here we're going to put these fractions on this line. Okay, this one's easy. 2, 2 equals 1. 2 out of 2. 2 parts. So the bottom number tells me how many it's broke up to, and the top number tells how many I get. 2 parts. So 2 parts equals 1. All right, let's put that on there. 1 right here, that's where it is. So H goes here. And we did this whole line in class, so 1/2. Let's put that here. Right there is 1/2. And that's T. All right. Okay. 4 2s. 2 goes into 4 twice. Okay, so when we're looking at an improper fraction, we talked about this in class, what you want to do to find out what this would be in a whole number is look at how many denominators go in here. So we could draw this out. Okay, so mine is broken to 2. And I need 4 of those. So broken to 2, and I get 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. This equals 2. 2 goes into 4 twice with nothing left over. So that answer is 2. So let's go on here. And 4, 2 equals 2. And so this will be O. All right, 5 seconds. 2 goes into 5 twice with 1 left over. 1/2. So that's W. That goes right there. 2 and 1/2. I'm trying to do this with a mouse, so sorry if it's not. All right, so we got this one, that one. We got T done. We need R. 2 goes into 3 once with 1 left over. Okay, R. All right, how do you turn a banana into a vegetable? The first word is throw. Okay, you're going to have to do the rest. And if you have problems, come see me in the morning, but try your best. If you need to look at more videos, do a Google search. All right.